WordFence installation is incomplete. So today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of WordFence warning in your WordPress website. So come and let's go to our computer screen now. Okay, so basically go to your website dashboard. So as you can see, here is the WordFence warning highlighted in yellow. And you might also seeing this on your website if you have WordFence plugin, especially if this plugin of yours is newly installed. So makita mo to if kaka-install mo lang ng WordFence. So basically hindi mo siya minimize or mako-close. So you have only two buttons, so remind me later or resume installation. So to get rid of this, click lang natin ang resume installation button. And then, may dialog box na mag-a-appear. So, click lang natin yung Get Your WordFence License. And then, yung WordFence website will appear. So, basically, ang gagawin mo lang is mag-sign up ka dito, create your account, and then, after mag-create ng account, so, si WordFence magpapadala sa'yo ng ganitong email. So, click mo lang yung URL na binigay niya and then makakapag-set ka na ng password. So, after that, balik ka sa WordFence website and then click sa menu bar, click mo ang licenses or pwede mo ring i-click tong get a free license. So, click lang natin. So, after that, click lang natin ang get a free license. So, itong dialog box will appear again. So, paste mo lang yung site URL mo and then click mo tong get a free license button. So, si WordFence, bibigay niya na sa'yo yung license key mo. So, basically, copy mo lang ang license mo and then close mo na tong dialog box. So, balik tayo sa ating WordPress website. So, after that, install natin, click natin tong install an existing license. So, lagay mo lang yung email na inilagay mo kay WordFence. Basically, ito yung email na ginawa mo for sign up or for login. And then, license key. Paste mo lang dyan yung license key mo. So, here, may tatanungin ka, would you like your WordPress security, blah, 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 to send you via email. So, pili ka lang dyan, yes or no. So, wala namang problema. So, for me, click ko lang ang yes and then install ko yung license. So, wait lang natin habang naglo-load siya. Okay. So, free license installed. So, congratulations. So, kapag kinlik ko to, dapat itong warning sign na to is mawawala. So, click lang natin. So, there you go. So, nawala na yung warning ni WordFence. So, basically, kapag hindi mo nagawa yon, i-refresh mo lang or clear ka ng cache. Whatever cache you are using, gawin mo lang. That's it. So, hope you learned something new today. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video.